Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this lace pattern that you can use for hair scrunchies. These are really feminine and really pretty and really on trend right now. If you have some lace thread hanging around on your at home and you don't know what to do with it, this is the perfect project for it. Very quickly you can finish this in like 30 minutes or even less. And yeah, you are going to have a beautiful handmade gift for your loved ones or just for yourself in less than 30 minutes. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So I am going to use some lace yarn, some thread, and I am using also one of the elastic bands for the hair and a 2mm hook. So what we are going to do first is just cover the elastic band, and that we are going to do with single crochets. So let me do first one chain, and now I'm going to insert the elastic band here like this, and now I will just continue over with a single crochet. So I get inside from here, pull through and single crochet. Don't worry if you can see the black still. Just keep doing this. Insert the hook from underneath, pull through loop and single crochet, and keep doing that for a while. So I would now, you can see the black, so I will just push it back. You see that it's all tightened up and smaller space, and just keep doing that and push back with a finger. So again, another space, crocheting single crochet all around, and then just push them back. Just keep doing that. Crochet single crochets, push them back, crochet single crochets, push them back until you have the whole elastic band covered with this yarn, with this thread. So once you cover the whole elastic, I am going to just do a slip stitch with whatever is the first one, and I am going to now start a single crochet round. So try to grab all the stitches one by one, and we are going to do one round of single crochet. It's not easy to grab all of them, but grab as many as you can. So one round with single crochet. So once we do the single crochet round, which I closed again with a slip stitch with the first stitch. So I'm gonna go ahead now, and I'm gonna do two rounds actually with squares, little squares. So I'm gonna start with 4 chain stitches, and then I'm going to yarn over, and in the next stitch insert the hook and crochet 1 double crochet. So this is like a square, like a little square, and then I'm just going to continue doing that, 1 chain, then yarn over and double crochet in the next stitch. So you try to find what is the next stitch here, and double crochet. So that we are going to do for 2 rounds, 1 chain, yarn over, insert on the next stitch and double crochet, and keep doing that for 2 rounds. So for the second round we're just going to do the same, but doing 1 chain and grabbing the double crochet from the previous round. Okay? Okay, you guys, here we are. So here we are. I finished 2 rounds, as I told you, with the pattern 1 chain, 1 double crochet. So it is going to look like this. And now we are going to do for the fourth round, because the first round was single crochet, the second and the third was one chain, one double crochet, but for the third one we are going to play a little bit with the pattern. So it is going to start like this. First we are going to have 6 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we are going to do 1 slip stitch here at the first double crochet. Then we're going to do 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do 1 double crochet. So always we skip the little square here. Then 3 chains, and at the next double crochet here, slip stitch. Then we're going to do 3 chains, then at the next double crochet here, 1 double crochet. And we are just going to repeat now this pattern. So we're going to have this little kind of bow here. So 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet. That's the pattern, and go all around. 3 chains, 1 slip stitch, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, and go all around. If it happens that you have an uneven, because this pattern needs 2 stitches, which means that you need to have an even number of little squares. If in case happens that you have an uneven number, then you just do this pattern. The last 3 ones, try to do 2 bows like this. So just use 1.5 and then 1.5 for the last bow. I hope this makes sense. But in case you have even squares, then you don't need to do anything. So let's finish now this round. 3 chains, 1 slip stitch, 3 chains, 1 double crochet. Okay, you guys, here we are. I was lucky because I had an even amount of little squares, so I did not have to do the trick that I told you previously. Now I'm going to show you how the pattern of this lace goes. So now we are going to crochet. Once I connected the last one with the first one, I will crochet 6 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then here, where I have the double crochet, I'm gonna do 1 slip stitch. This is the pattern. 6 chain stitches, and where I have the double crochet, slip stitch. Just go all around with this pattern. 6 chain stitches, 1 slip stitch. All around until you come here and you do the last slip stitch. So here we are. I finished also the round with the 6 chain stitches. So it looks like this. Now the pattern will follow like this. We are going to do some single crochets here to arrive not at the center but near center, okay? So I did 2. Yeah, I'm gonna do 1 more. So now the pattern will be these 3 single crochets to arrive near to the center, and then I'm going to do 3 chain stitches, 1, 2 and 3. This will count as a double crochet. Then I'm going to crochet another 2 double crochets right here in the middle. So 1, 2. So these 3 chain stitches will count as a double crochet, and a second, the double crochet, and a third one. So here I have 2 double crochets and 3 chain stitches that count as a double crochet. Okay, then I'm gonna do 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna jump to the next loop that I have here, and I'm gonna crochet 3 double crochets here in the center. 1, 2, and 3, and again 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet in the center. So this is the pattern for this round. And yeah, this is how this pattern is going to work. So 3 double crochet in the center, 3 chain stitches, 3 double crochets, 3 chain stitches until you arrive over here. So we're gonna have the 3 double crochets here at the center, and then we're gonna do 3 chain stitches and just attach with a slip stitch to the 3 chain stitches here at the top. So this is how this round will work. So I will see you once this round is finished. Here we are, guys. I finished also the 6th round. I closed again with a slip stitch. I connected the big end with the beginning. And now we are going to do the 7th round and the last round. So the pattern for this 7th round, it is going to be like this. 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3. Then here where we have the space, I will do 1 slip stitch. Then I'm going to do 3 chain stitches again, 1, 2, 3. Again, in the same place, I'm going to do 1 slip stitch. So it is going to be like a small point over here. And then again, 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3. Now we jump to the other square and slip stitch. Then 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3. In the same place, slip stitch. And this is the pattern that we are going to follow all around. 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3. Skip this 3 double crochets, and here in the middle, slip stitch. 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch here in the center, and just continue this pattern all around until you come here at the beginning and then connect with a slip stitch, of course. And this is the last round. So let's finish this pattern. So 3 chain stitches, slip stitch, 3 chain stitches, slip stitch, and continue the same 3 chain stitches, slip stitch, 3 chain stitches, slip stitch all around. Okay, here we are. This is the last stitch. So I am going to do a slip stitch over here, exactly where I started the 3 chain stitches. Doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna do 1 slip stitch here. 1 chain and pull the yarn and just cut it. And the next thing, of course, we're gonna have to sew in this end here. And another thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to iron them. You can also just put them in water and then let them dry flat, and then iron them. You can do that as well. Or you just iron them, as I'm planning to do, with steam. The steam will open up all the details, and that is the plan. So let me show you how it all turned out. Okay, you guys, here we are. I finished also the ironing and I ironed them. And as you see, the lace is opened up and it is really, really pretty. So I am very, very happy with the result. And it's not only this color, I have crocheted also in this yellow and in this pink. And I am very happy with the result. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!